Hello everybody, hope everyone is having a good day and a good week so far, and welcome to my channel. This is old school Bath and Body Works, um, old school, old school packaging, I guess. And these still smell great. I got some of these on Amazon. I got them here where I live locally. These still smell great. I just went through them actually just now. There ain't nothing wrong with them, and I'm definitely gonna be wearing like these in the summertime. I love wearing that. And I got another peach. This is really, and I wear these all in the fall. And I also like to wear this one in the summertime. That's a good summertime. And I wear these two during Christmas or winter. So yeah, this is my Bath and Body old school packaging collection, I guess. I haven't bought any in a while because I've been buying makeup and clothes and stuff. I might buy a couple more. I saw some new ones out. But yeah, I just really like these. And I always check my perfumes, like I check my makeup, so there's nothing wrong with these. They smell awesome still, but they're just in the old packaging. Yeah, if you guys like my videos, please like, sub, and comment. Thanks for watching, and remember, be original.